Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's make spinach waffles today that gone viral on the internet. So let's get right into it.
Spinach, egg, salt, rice flour, pepper, spinach, right there, rice flour, salt, pepper, mix. This is the mixture. Preheat the waffle maker. Olive oil. Just a little bit.
It's so nice. It's so yum. No comments, you just need to try it and you will stay happy, energized and healthy. You just must try it guys. It's really nutritious, healthy, and at the same time it's delicious. It's just mind-blowing. Okay guys, so that was the recipe that I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope that you will try to make those waffles at home by yourself because they're really delicious and healthy. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and press like button. See you next time. Thanks for watching.